it's Junie back with another video. Today's video is sponsored by Hanne Hair. Thank you for sending this unit for me to review and unbox. So jumping right in, this is a fully human hair wig. It's a full cap wig that's on the site, and the unit is about $30 depending on the length. As you can see, the unit will require some customization just looking at the before picture, especially if you want to have a more updated and trendy look. We're going to go in and we're going to style this unit, and we're going to do so by giving the unit a cut. And so you just want to position the unit on your head correctly, because that's a big deal, because you know, you want to make sure that you're cutting it the right length. And here I'm just using a regular grooming scissors to cut the unit to the desired length that I want it to be. Repeat these steps on the other side, and you just want to make sure that you're pulling hair from the back of the unit forward to also cut. You can also take the unit off and cut the back on a mannequin head. That would work as well. But as you can see, just giving the unit a trim has added body and volume to the hair almost instantly. And just to give you guys some general specs, this is a full cap wig. It has combs in the front and combs in the back, well, a comb in the back, and the unit does come with adjustable straps. And the hair texture is supposed to be like a Remy texture. The hair itself is really good quality, you guys. Very soft, has a very beautiful luster to it. Very, very nice. And here I'm just taking some plain clippers. Like, these are my husband's clippers. You don't have to get anything fancy, but I'm dusting the ends of the hair with these clippers. And I'm sorry I'm out of frame a little bit. I was trying to position myself so you guys could see what I was doing. But I'm using these clippers to kind of dust the ends so that cut doesn't look so harsh from the scissors. And this is actually going to give your hair some dimension, and so it doesn't look like a whack job, that it looks like a professional cut. It's going to help add body to the unit. And here you can just take your time with dusting the ends using those clippers. You can also use a razor if you like. Here I'm just taking my flat iron and I am smoothing out the hair to give it a sleek look. We've already made the unit look 1,000 times more updated and chic and trendy just by cutting the unit. And as you can see, guys, I mean, just giving it a cut, we've added volume and depth and dimension to the unit. And so you can see here, there's a lot, by how the hair moves, that the hair has more body and more volume. overall, if you gravitate towards human hair units, I highly recommend this one. However, just knowing that you're going to have to add your own flair and personalization to the unit to make the unit look more up to date. However, you may like the unit in its original state, and that's okay too. For me, I wanted to add make the unit a little bit more edgy and trendy by giving it a trim. The links to this unit will be in the description box below. Go ahead and check out Hanne Hair. I believe that they are a AliExpress vendor from what I can see online. I'm really digging how this unit came together. Alright guys, until my next video, I will see you later. Bye.